I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: Git installed, credentials set, and a clean project folder with a README and Git ignore. Once done, initialize the repo with Git init, add files with Git add, and commit with Git commit m initial commit. Make sure to set your main branch name now if different, for example, git branch m main. This gets you from local files to a tracked repository ready to connect to GitHub. You next open GitHub, create a repository, and copy the remote URL. Choose HTTPS or SSH based on your auth setup. Once you add the remote with git remote add origin URL, verify connections using git remote v. Then push your branch with git push uorigin main to set up stream. If you use SSH, ensure your key is added to GitHub. If using HTTPS, be ready to authenticate. Doing this, you finish by polishing, update README, add a license and tags, or create a release, then push changes. Once done, adopt branches and open pull requests for features or fixes. This keeps history clean. If a push is rejected, don't panic. Fetch or pull to integrate remote changes, resolve any merge conflicts, and commit the resolutions before pushing again. If authentication fails, check your SSH key or credential helper settings to restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.